feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Teaching Phonics CVC, consonant vowel consonant, words involves a step-by-step approach. Start by ensuring the learner can recognize individual letters and their associated sounds. Introduce CVC words with short vowels, using visual aids and phonics games to make learning interactive and fun. Gradually incorporate blending sounds together to form words. Practice with real and nonsense CVC words to reinforce decoding skills. Utilize repetition, engaging activities, and positive reinforcement to enhance memory and encourage progress. It's crucial to adapt the pace to the learner's needs for a solid foundation in reading.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.